So, good afternoon. This is my helmet, which I have bought it like a month ago. I really like this helmet, and it's a motorcycle helmet. Now I thought I have a helmet, I should get a new motorcycle. So I'm going to Yamaha dealer, motorcycle dealer, which is not far from my home, and I'm gonna go there and buy a motorcycle. Actually, on Instagram I asked maybe 2-3 months ago which color should I buy, and people suggested to buy a blue one. I'm gonna go there and get a blue motorbike, and yeah, hopefully dealer might let me record while I'm purchasing a motorbike. You know, sometimes they do mind, don't wanna be involved in the camera, but yeah, be online. I should go there and get a new motorbike. Okay, so I already made a deal with the gentleman. There was a color, this black color and this blue one, and I chose to get this one. We're just gonna do a few paperwork, and I'm gonna see what accessory I'm gonna buy from there, and yeah, all done. Easy. Just trying out some gears, and yeah, I was sorting out my bike. Where is that? Yeah, it's never been, you know, started. They are putting battery in and getting it ready. Yeah, and I'm gonna get this jacket and maybe a pair of boots. I already have a helmet. And yeah, that's me. Guess that's all oh, actually I'm getting a gloves as well. Yeah, very excited. You can tell the way I'm talking right now. Super excited. Always been a Yamaha boy, and getting one is really satisfying. Doesn't let anyone come here, but he said just go and have a glimpse, which I did. In terms of boots, I'm getting this one. Looks casual, but it has it ticks all the boxes of safety. Yeah, waterproof, hard toe, hard sides, ankle protection. Getting this one, looks cool as well. And the only thing actually I'm not buying from the full body protection is pants. Not sure about the pants, I might buy it later, but yeah, I'm not getting this today. Yeah, what do you think about these boots? Just write something in the comment, I'll be super happy.